Welcome back to Joe's Home Flavors. Today we're going to be cooking some cod fritters. For this cod fritters we're going to be needing obviously some cod. In this particular case it's salted cod that I have prepared, so I'll tell you all about it in a minute. We're going to be needing some onions and some chopped garlic as well, some salt, some pepper, some chopped parsley, about 100 grams of flour, plain flour, 2 eggs, a little bit of olive oil, and some oil to obviously to do the frying. So in a bowl we're going to start with our eggs, and so we're going to crack these eggs onto a bowl. We're going to give them a quick whisk. We can now add a little bit of salt, pinch of pepper, the parsley, chopped parsley, stir it a little bit, and we can now add as well the garlic and the onions. We should add a little bit of olive oil at this point, not too much, just a pinch. And we should gently start incorporating this flour. We should add a little bit of water as well. And keep stirring and keep incorporating that flour. And last but not least, we should now add our fish, our cod. Okay, we should check our seasoning now. If you're happy with it, and that's it. Okay, we should now reserve this and start heating our oil. Our oil is now to the temperature that we desire. We should have it on a high heat, so we prevent the oil from getting inside the fritters. So we get our dough here, and we're going to be working with 2 spoons today, as it makes it easier for us to dose these fritters. Okay, so just take 1 little spoon, drop it on there, nice and easy. You shouldn't make them too big, so it's easier to cook, otherwise they take longer to cook. We should let them fry a couple of minutes on each side, and then we should flip them. Once you're happy that they are cooked, you should obviously take them to take them out and place them on a dish with a paper towel so they soak some of that oil. Now we're just gonna leave them to soak a little bit, and I'm going to have a go at them and see how good they are. In the meantime, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and obviously if you can, share it with your friends, give me a thumbs up as well. And if you need to see the whole recipe, just go on my website, and I have all the recipes written there with all the portions and everything. Here we have it, folks, our cod fritters. They are in very good company today. They have the beans rice, which I just cooked as well with them. You can find the recipe down below. With obviously they need a good company as well. And today I have some wine from Douro, which is a northern sort of part of Portugal, and this is more of a full body red, which goes perfectly with a light meal like this. So let's see if it goes or if it doesn't. I'm going to let it breathe for a couple of seconds there, and let's go and try this. So I'm going to start with this fritter and see how that tastes. Look at that. It's really fluffy. You can see all the parsley in there, and the egg and everything, and pieces of cod as well. Beautiful. And now let's try the rice. This rice it's smelling really good. Oh my God. Spot on. And this is even better with a patanisca. That's what we call it. Another typical dish from Portugal, pataniscas with beans rice. Can't go wrong with this. Really easy to make and delicious. Thank you very much for watching our video, and please give me a thumbs up if you can. Share with your friends. It's important for them. If you like it, I bet you your friends will like it too. And it's important for our channel to get discovered, and so I can keep on coming back with new and delicious recipes. And subscribe so you know when we have new uploads. And yeah, thanks for coming, and cheers.